Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna talk about how to wake up feeling motivated every single morning. Most of us deal with occasional lazy, zero motivation morning. You know the feeling. You wake up knowing you have a bunch of stuff you need to get done, but you just can't convince yourself to do any of it. So you sleep instead, or maybe you get up and waste time playing Mario Run on your phone. A viewer asked me how to deal with this problem recently. Do you have any advice for someone who plans out everything night before, but then loses all the motivation next morning? I'm not immune to this problem, luckily. However, I've learned a lot over the past few years that has helped me to make lazy mornings occur far less frequently. Today I'll share a few ideas that will help you achieve a similar level of consistent morning productivity and motivation. The first thing is experiment with your schedule. I'll be talking about two kinds of people, morning maniacs and momentum builders. Morning maniacs are the kind of people who can simply roll out of the bed and start working on their most difficult task right away. By contrast, momentum builders are the kind of people who need to wake up and build a bit of what I like to call productive momentum before they can really get into the swing of things. In other words, they need to do some small tasks to essentially get their brain into the work mode before they can tackle more challenging ones. Here's the thing, it's not always apparent which category you fit into. That is why the first thing you should do in order to start waking up more motivated is to experiment with your schedule. Personally, I'm more of a momentum builder during the mornings, but I only know this because I have experimented with both the types of schedules. If you haven't, do give it a try. If you've never been a morning maniac, try getting up and immediately tackling the most challenging task on your daily plan. If you don't know which task to choose, look at the task list and ask yourself which task you feel the most resistance to in the starting. Like a magnetized needle floating on a surface of oil, resistance will unfailingly point to the north. We can use it as a compass we can navigate by resistance letting it guide, deciding which is the most difficult task in a schedule. One thing that can really kill your morning motivation is the long task list that you know you can't finish. So I'll be telling about how to use the rule of 3 to cut down your task list. At beginning of day, fast forward to the end of the day in your mind. Then ask yourself, what 3 things will I want to have accomplished when the day is over? Write those 3 things down. Do the same at the beginning of every week. Do one thing you love every morning. There are 2 different kinds of motivation. Push requires willpower and willpower never lasts. What will last is pull. Having something so exciting, so attractive, something you desire so much that you have a hard time going to sleep at night. You get up so early in the morning and it takes to the next level. This actually takes us back to the morning maniacs which we talked about earlier. Because while I believe that much of the reason for their choice of schedule is due to their personalities, that is, they are just wired that way, I think their mission also plays a part. But what if you don't have an all-encompassing mission at the moment? Whether you're working through a semester with the classes that don't particularly inspire you, or you're putting your dues at a job that's not super exciting, there are going to be times when you simply don't have a mission that motivates you. During those times, however, I still believe you can take advantage of pull motivation by building at least one thing you love into your morning routine. For me, listening to my favorite podcast while I'm out walking or jogging. You can use something similarly small to provide some pull motivation of your own. It doesn't have to be anything huge. So friends, that's it for today's video. If you're coming to the channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing it. Like, share and comment. Take care of yourself and your family. See you until next time.